How to add clickable links to Flodesk email. So to get started, go ahead and open Flodesk into your browser, sign into your Flodesk account, and then head over into the email tab. Select an email where you want to add a clickable link to or create a new one if you prefer to. And then in here, you need to select the template that you want to use for creating that specific email with a clickable link. So there are a few templates that you can choose from here. So once you have selected a template, simply click on the view details button to view that specific template in full before you proceed on customizing the template. So once you're satisfied on how it looks like, you can click on that customize it button to proceed to your canvas. So in here, click on that specific block, text, or photo that you want to use for adding that clickable link. And then click on link at the right side of your screen. So you'll find this in between the layout and block. So once you're on the link tab, head over into the URL tab and then paste the URL to where you want the user to be redirected once they click that specific block on your email. So copy the link and then paste it in here, and then go ahead and link an action in here to track the progress of your email. And then once you have linked an action, click on the next button at the top right to proceed on selecting your recipients and then setting up the subject line and preview text of your email. And that is how you can basically add clickable links to a Flodesk email. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.